What's the meaning of anemia? Anemia. 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 Anemia.
Anemia is a medical condition characterized by a deficiency of red blood cells or hemoglobin in the blood, leading to reduced oxygen carrying capacity. This can result in symptoms such as fatigue, weakness, shortness of breath, and pale skin. Anemia can be caused by a variety of factors, including poor diet, blood loss, chronic diseases, or hereditary conditions. Treatment typically involves addressing the underlying cause and may include dietary changes, iron supplements, or blood transfusions in severe cases. Early identification and treatment can prevent long-term complications and improve quality of life for those affected.